Hello. I'm in my studio a little bit early today because I am doing some press-on nails. I don't do them too often, but my client Kathy of Kathy on Skincare, she is going to New York for Fashion Week and she could not settle on one set, so we are doing 3. So she's actually picking up the sets today. I have one, and this kind of worked out well. I have one appointment today at noon, so I'm gonna work on the sets before and after the appointments. They're not anything too crazy, so they shouldn't take me that long, fingers crossed, but we shall see. So I'm gonna get started on those now. I had her in the other day. I removed her set that we had done last and I sized up her nails, so I have all the tips laid out. I just need to get going. Also, Pat gave me an early birthday gift. My birthday's not until March 6th, so it's quite early. Of these Sony headphones. They're the something 1000 something 5. And they are noise cancelling. I was using them this morning kind of for the first time and they're lovely. So I'm very excited to use them in the studio, especially because I think they're about to start some renovations in the building this morning. So it's nice to block that out. But also when I'm doing my own nails, it'll block out the noise of the dust collector, e-file, that sort of thing. Have a more peaceful experience. Set and I've gotten all cleaned up. My next client, or my first client, will be here in like 40 minutes, so I think I'm gonna have a bite to eat. She's just in for Gel-X solid color, so it shouldn't be too long of an appointment anyhow. I think I'll have something to eat, and then if I have some time I will get the next set of tips for the press-on set up on the stands, so then when she's gone I can just like start painting right away. Just finished my appointment. Now I'm going to get cleaned up, eat. I ate one slice of chicken pot pie already. I'm gonna eat another slice because I'm starving again. And then I'm gonna press on away. And I have to clean my tools at some point during that too. I just wrapped up the press-on sets. These ones I didn't film while I was doing just because I had filmed the other ones, but this is these guys. Super simple to do. Very cute. I think they'll be very fun to wear. As long as she doesn't get her fingers caught on things. This is the next set. I'm really obsessed with these. Like lace detailing. Those are really, really fun to do. I'm really into these. I'm definitely doing these on someone. And then this is the final set, a little red glass moment. I just ombre black at the cuticle just to give it a bit more depth, but very, very fun. Hello. It's Thursday, which you would know because I'm sure I put a subtitle on them. I was supposed to say on the fridge, on the screen. I didn't film yesterday. It was rather an eventful day, but here I am again today. I have 2 appointments today, a long one and then a builder single color. I have a lot to update you guys on. Not good stuff, I'm gonna be honest, but I'm not gonna get into that probably in this video. I'm gonna wait because I'm in this disappointing news for the long game. Yeah, you'll understand everything once I explain it, but just know there will be some changes. Unfortunately, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know. Rebecca Paints Nails on Instagram. Anyway, yeah, just gonna get ready for my appointments. Look how beautiful the sunshine is coming in this morning. How lovely. This is very rare occurrence that I walk in. It only happens before 10 a.m. It's very nice. This lighting in here is so nice. This morning I genuinely don't want to turn on all the lights. It's so funny because it's not even like direct sunlight I'm getting. It's actually a glare off of somebody else's window that is so strong when the sun is so bright that it comes into my space. I wish I had it all the time. Good morning. Oh, I don't have glasses on. I have contact lenses on because Vanessa is coming in today. What am I doing? I'm just wandering. I'm doing her nails firstly, and then we're gonna go try on bridal dresses. And by we're, I mean I'm gonna be doing the trying. She's gonna be doing the watching. Yeah, so that's gonna be fun. It's our second go at trying on bridal gowns. Today we're going to a vintage bridal store, which apparently they just have thousands of vintage dresses. So that's fun. So just Vanessa in today. So as per usual, I'll film doing her set. I usually film and do a separate video. I have very few thoughts today. I think I have very few thoughts as of late. I was trying to design Vanessa's set and I was just like, literally my brain has given up. She is wishing to no longer be a participant in day-to-day activities. Also, I've been selling loads of my cuticle oils in the studio, so I always have to keep restocking my little shelf unit, which is awesome. So apologies to my clients who went with it for so long. But it's back. And this is what I'm wearing today. I just bought this top the other day. I thrifted it. It was, I guess because of the short sleeves, it was in the little girl section, which made it $4.99, which is great. What does it say on it actually? Oh, sweetheart. How cute. Okay, wait, put your hands better.
Which one are you doing? Trying to break his neck. Wait, or should we do a push in?
Okay.
For the first one. I'll put your hands up. Okay. I feel like that makes sense, right?
I think so. Oh god, no, I have to do it. I was like, okay, good, well, we probably got it in one of those shots. Wait, did it not record the... Why is your phone... Is this a photo?
Did we get it?
Get like some sort of awesome slutty situation.
Yeah.
It's so nice. What? This looks great. Okay, but what would we change about it?